Dili Diyos.
Hai!
Pagkatalamin na tagite, sige dito na ito, nakabari-nari o kabunuli, umito, kibo, atay, sakay, kokin, suruk, kikiri, garo.
Pagkatalamin na tagite, sige dito na ito, nakabari-nari o kabunuli, umito, kibo.
So hi guys, maniud to tagaron. Okay, mamo na bagong restaurant diri sa Parkmall. Atong favorite mall by the way ni ang Parkmall kay Children better. So, natanon sa Ikkhousha Ramen Cebu diri sa Parkmall kay nangala ko ramen at nalipay ko kay nanay original ramen diri sa Parkmall. So tara guys, ato ni tanawon kung sino na diri.
May sama mo na siya sa Shase! Shase!
About this Ikkhousha Ramen because this one is the lighter version of the original Ikkhousha Ramen in JY, by the way. So, ang naanari is dahil gusto itong Ikkhousha Ramen, the original, you have the dark ramen, the Ikkhousha black, and the gunfire, which is the spicy ramen. Oh, they have other new side dishes like their sisig, and of course, their favorite, the kaarage. Wala pa sila gyoza ron, pero next month for sure na sila gyoza, which is my perfect pares sa ramen. So, ang nice thing sa Ikkhousha is you can choose your ramen, the spicy and the saltiness level, the side, if you want more toppings, you can basically piling mo, tapos mapili ko mo kung sa kagahiya yung noodles. So, awesome guys, it's your burger. They're gonna do noodles the way you want it. So, kailangan na po dali. So, ako, order na po. So, naman na ito ron. Kung sa'yo naman na po. So hi guys, I'm order on. So my lunch for today is black ramen plus nasa sisig doon, level 2 spiciness, and of course chicken kaarage. So mag-enjoy sa ko ako sa dilawan ha. So by the way, kani akong black ramen, butakan ako siya black fungus mushrooms. Dalawa lang broth. Naming yun siya guys. It's really one of my favorite ramen places today sa Cebu. Oh, pag nakalingaw din rin is one. Yeah, makapili ka sa ramen. Plus, nasa sila mga exciting side dishes. Maraming kaarage. Oh, kaning sisig. Now, karan akong tilawan ang mga side dishes na akong i-order. Una, sisig ko. Sisig. Ako kahapon is level 2 so angkit siya. Nalingaw ko niya. Nasa series to ha. No? Naisa siya. And finally, can I kaarage or the fried chicken? Yeah. He's already ready. Puro siya puno. Hindi siya parang kayo siya. Magilig kayo siya sa ramen. So, hi guys! Nahurot na ko kong lunch. Wow, I finished ramen. I had kaarage and also sisig doon. Wow, really full. So, guys, if you're looking for a really good Japanese restaurant, ramen restaurant, you better check out Ikkhousha here in Parkmall. They're located in the West Strip, just near the parking area, the GT terminal. So that we can enjoy their delicious ramen, and their other side dishes like their kaarage and their new Sisig doon. So check them out, and if you have eaten here, let me know. What are your comments? And if you love this video, please share. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue eating and see you in my next food trip.